Hi guys, this is Jay. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you what's on the dashboard and how to set everything on the Haval Jolion digital dashboard. This particular dashboard is available on the medium to high spec. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I'll leave all the chapters down below. That allows you to skip forward if you wish to. If you find this video helpful, the best way to support this channel is to subscribe and like. Let's turn the camera on and get started. So this is what it looks like under the dashboard settings. On the left, that's your water temperature, so it's okay to go cold or medium, but it's not okay if it goes really high to the red line. Auto hold is engaged on this particular vehicle. You can see the line information, you can see the ready sign as the hybrid vehicle. When you see the ready sign, that means the power is on. If you do not see the ready sign under the hybrid drivetrain, that means the function of the motor is not switched on. On the right, that's your fuel tank. Small arrow just means your fuel tank is actually on the left. Then the bars indicates the fuel tank is halfly full right now. Parking brake, speed sign reading, that's all available. You can see the time on display on the left. You can see the temperature on the right. And then this side shows the percentage power or rev counter if you drive the, let's say, the petrol vehicle. And this side shows your digital speedo on the right. These are all permanently displayed. No matter how you change the screen, they are all permanently displayed. Underneath, you see the total odometer, the gear, which is a park, normal, which is your driving mode. You change sport, eco, it will change, of course. In the center, that's basically your panel you can personalize. Right now, it's showing adaptive cruise control screen or the lane departure information. If you do anything, you can see the adaptive cruise control change and all that things. To go into the screen, it's a little bit tricky. So when you start driving the vehicle at standard conditions, you cannot change anything on the screen until you push and hold this OK button over here. Click and hold. That allows you to actually go into the screen to control anything. Click this back button over here. That allows you to go the top menu. So you get the 5 menu over there, as you can see. We're going to go through that. So first one is the driving menu that shows the vehicle driving information. At each menu, you can also use this up and down arrow button to go to different screens. Go up and down. So right now you can see the tire pressure monitoring system. Keep going up, range to empty. Keep going up, the fuel, instant fuel right now. Average speed, average consumption based on your driving time, your journey time, and your petrol or battery power information, which is again only available on the hybrid drivetrain. And then next, we can click this back corner again. That allows you to see the music information. Right now, the music plays on Bluetooth, BT. It's whatever will be played on the screen. If you change anything to the FM or anything like that, it will show the FM information. And of course, if you want to change the sounds, it's all buttons on the left and right for the music track, up and down for the volume, mode to change your music source or music mode. Next, let's go click the back icon again. We can go to the phone connection. The Bluetooth is not connected, but when the Bluetooth is connected, it will show all your recent call history over here. You can then go up and down. And if you want to call anyone, just single tap OK button. That allows you to call someone directly through the screen. Of course, you can do everything onto that screen as well. Next, go to the back button again. This is called warning information screen. Right now, no alarm information. That means we're all safe, everything's all working fine. But if you have an alarm, let's say your tire pressure is low, or your something not working, or you need a service, it will show all the information over here in different pages if there's more than one. Click the back arrow again. We can go into the setting. First thing is called to set the overspeed setting. If you want to go into that, just press OK. Then you can press OK to do on and off. Press OK, that's off, so no overspeed warning. Or if you do on and off, on, that means right now it's set at 120 kilometers per hour. That means when the vehicle drives to 120, it's going to give you a small ping sound on the dashboard to let you know you're over that speed limit you set. Personally, I would recommend to set as high as possible. Do not set at 30 or 40, because whenever you go with 30 or 40, if you set it, it's going to give you a warning, just like that. And click this to go back. Next is the theme selection. If you go into the theme selection, again, up and down or OK and back, simple. You can do technology, click that. You can change to this particular theme. Again, just cool graphic left and right. Or you can do dynamic, click OK again. This is more of a dynamic traditional screen. And then I'll go fashion, which is the default setting. Many cars will have the Hyundai screen in case you don't know how to change it. So that's how to change the theme on the dashboard. Next is the driving data. Click OK. You can reset all. You can enable the disable instant view if you do not want to see it in the vehicle driving data screen. Next, you can do the volume. That's the volume for the information for the dashboard, for the warning, things like that. In case you have a speed warning, anything like that, you can bring this up or down. After that, go back. That's all set. Next one is the unit. Click the unit. You can do mileage and fuel. You can do kilometers, liters per 100 Ks, or kilometers per liter. This is again, whatever you like. You can do tire pressure monitoring system to kPa, PSI, or bars. In New Zealand, a lot of people prefer PSI. We're going to stay at PSI. Temperature, you can change between days, but New Zealand prefer the Celsius. We have fun. Next is the language. You can change different language on this particular screen. If you change to Chinese, this will be like on the Chinese version, but only the settings will be changed to Chinese. You won't be able to change the screen into Chinese. The screen functions, even the one pedal, all that things are still going to be English, just like that. Next, you can do factory reset through the screen. That's whatever. Next, you can check your maintenance miles. Just click OK. You can see right now the vehicle is 4,000 something K to go until the next service. So that's pretty much all about the dashboard settings and controls. But when you start the vehicle, start driving just like this, it'll show you the driving information, graphics and things like that about your adaptive cruise control, lane departure, things like that, because they are default to be on. In case you change anything on the lane departure or there's any warning information on the lane departure, you'll bounce back to the screen. For you to go back again, just push and hold OK. That allows you to go deep into that screen again, just like that. Very small detail, you can actually personalize another thing on the screen is to go into the vehicle setting. Under the vehicle setting, go to driving setting, and the color setting of the instrument theme. Click the color setting, you can actually bind the vehicle to mode. That means if you change different mode, that top display graphic over there will show a different color, depends on the driving mode. But if you change this to close, to off, you can do red, just like red, blue, gold, red again. That's whatever you like. Very small, minimal thing, but in case you do not like the particular color that's displayed right now, you can change that, just like that. Under the trip odometer, you'll see the trip A. This is sort of your current journey for today's traveling. If you wish to change to trip B, single tap the OK button over here. Then now we'll go to the trip B. You can see your trip information. Again, going up and down allows you to check your trip B's average consumption, average fuel, things like that. Click OK again. You'll go to trip A. At any time, if you wish to reset the trip A or trip B, under each trip, just push and hold the OK button. There we go. That's now resetted the trip A. So oil consumption, all that things will be changed, will be reset after the trip A. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the contents. If you do not forget to subscribe, like, and check all the other contents on the channel. That would be really helpful for the channel to grow. As always, I will see you next video. Thank you very much.